Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Namecheap hosting, from setting it up to installing WordPress to making your website live, all in simple steps. Let's jump in. First of all, go to namecheap.com, click hosting and choose shared hosting. It's affordable and great for beginners. Choose a plan like Stellar, small sites, Stellar Plus, multiple sites. Pick the plan that fits your needs, then either register a new domain or connect an existing one. Once you have purchased hosting, log into your Namecheap account, go to dashboard, then hosting list, from the left sidebar, and click get started or go to cPanel. cPanel is your control center. It lets you manage your files, emails, and install apps like WordPress. If you bought your domain from Namecheap, it's auto-connected. If not, you will need to update your domain's name servers to point to Namecheap hosting. So, name servers DNS 1 dot Namecheap hosting .com and DNS to namecheaphosting.com. Update your domains name servers to these values and wait a few hours for it to propagate. Now let's install WordPress so you can start building your website. Now go to Software Plus Apps Installer. Find the Software Plus apps from here. Or select EasyWP for WordPress. Then click install, choose your domain, set site name, description, username, and password. Then click install. In about 1 to 2 minutes, WordPress will be ready to go. Now go to your domain.com /wp admin and log in using the username and password you set. From here, you can start customizing your site, installing themes, and adding content. Security is important. Namecheap provides free SSL certificates with hosting. Go to SSL or TLS in cPanel. Use Auto SSL to install your free certificate. This secures your website and displays the padlock icon in browser. Before you launch, here's a quick checklist. Domain is connected, WordPress installed, SSL active, basic theme installed, backup plan set up, use plugins like UpDrop Plus, and that's how you use Namecheap hosting to get your site live. Now you can see domain name search. You can buy domain from here like .com, .net, .org, .io, etc. Then hosting, you can share hosting from here. Then pick a plan like Stellar, Stellar Plus, or Stellar Business. Just select your country, location, and billing cycle like 2-year, monthly, yearly. Then you can manage your WordPress hosting from here. You can also see that features tab. Here's the feature. Your domain, use your domain, easily connect any domain to your WordPress site inside EasyWP dashboard, SFTP file access, get access to your files through SFTP. We even let you time box access so you can safely share credentials with a friend. Then simple backups, one click to backup, one click to restore, all from a straightforward interface. Maintenance mode, is your website not quite ready to go live? Don't worry, select maintenance mode, letting you decide when you want to make your grand rebuild. Then free positive SSL bring encryption, validation, and trustworthiness to your EasyWP website with positive SSL from Sectigo. Included for free with all EasyWP plans. Create and manage your WordPress websites from one single dashboard with one single login. Finally, free CDN. Get free access to Namecheap's content delivery network, a tool that caches and delivers your website content in record time from servers around the world. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.